Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to BitMEX. And the first thing that we're going to do is we go to Settings, Manage Plugins, and search right here for the BitMEX. And then we click right here on Install. Then he's ready to use. Click here on the cross, and then we go right here to Connections and click on Configure. Then we do right here Add Connection, and then we search right here for BitMEX. There we have it. And now we can select right here Enable Trading and fill in the IPI, or we can select right here, this is a demo account. You can also do both. Then we do OK. And now if you click here on Connections, we have here the option to select BitMEX. And now, right now, if you can see, we connected right here BitMEX to our Bookmap. So this is exactly how you can connect BitMEX to Bookmap. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.